Okay, definitely not nature. This is a deeper one. There's a smaller one back here, and then we got 3 over here, 4. So yeah, 5. Sorry, can't count. All right. So and then we're gonna get detoured by the rocks here. So they're pointing the direction, and some wildflowers. And we have some poop. Probably burros. I would imagine this is the trail that the Mexicans use to bring their trinkets up to sell, and that's why we have donkey poop. All right, there's some more. Isn't that wonderful? Gather. Starting to turn sandy, so that means we're probably getting close to the river. And we have horseshoes. Or donkey shoes. Okay. And a little grove of wildflowers. Not grove, I guess it'd be more of a meadow. Now, this is an interesting tree. I don't know if I've seen this tree before. We'll have to find out about it. Here's some of the cane. This could be the bad cane, or maybe it's just dead good cane. Sure, it's a long ways to the river. I think we could have done better going cross country, but it's straight ahead. Okay, take a break. Okay, all right, here we are on the beach of the Rio Grande, and this trail is definitely used by the Mexicans to get back and forth across the river. I don't know how deep it is here, but seems to be running pretty quick, so I would suspect it's probably not that deep, maybe a couple feet. So this is it. Not much to see. I mean, it's not again, it's not the most attractive river, you know, not like you know, Pacific Northwest or something where they got you know, pine trees and rocks and boulders and all that kind of stuff. This is very tiny rock, not tiny, but small rock, and just notice there's some caves up there. So, and sand dune. Okay, well, a little perspective of where I was a little while ago. So, I will head back. All right, red dot coming back down to the wetlands, the bridges. I just found out, had a runner go by. He had earphones on, so he didn't hear me. But anyway, I just found out from Mr. Stocks, who has been coming here for 20 years or more, that the Rio Grande flooded this whole area, and the campground, and thus it created the wetlands. So, That's how the wetlands were formed. Because water just got trapped in here when the river got this high. But if you look back at the pictures, the video, and you see where the river is now, and try to imagine it being, 20, 30 feet higher. It's just hard to grasp. All right, I got people in front of me, I got people behind me. You've seen all this, so I will end the video at this point and just take a look, see if we can find any little fish, big fish, one fish, two fish. I don't see anything. Okay, that's it for this trip. This is the nature trail. I'll be down to the beginning in a minute, and it has taken 1 hour to walk this trail. So to go up to the top of the hill, down, over to the river, and back. So not too bad, not too bad. All right, that's it. Goodbye.